Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the concepts which are included in the structural analysis. So, starting with the structure, when any elastic body is subjected to the system of loads and deformation takes place, the resistance is set up against the deformation, then the elastic body is known as the structure. But if there is no resistance set up in the body against the deformation, then it is called as a mechanism. Here are two examples are given respectively for the structure and the mechanism. In case of a structure, the simply supported beam is considered, which shows the deflected shape of the beam when the load W is acting on it, while in case of mechanism, the simply supported beam with the internal hinge is an example. Then, moving towards the assumptions which are included in the structural analysis. First is, a body is assumed to be elastic. Then, what is meant by elastic? The ability of the deformed material to retain its original shape and the size after the forces are removed. It is called as elastic. And second, a body is assumed to be homogeneous. Homogeneous means the body has identical properties in the identical directions at all the points. Then, a body is assumed to be isotropic. What is meant by isotropic? Isotropic means the body has identical properties in all the directions but acting at a point. Here is the diagram which shows the homogeneous body which is having the properties are same in single direction, and here is the isotropic body which is having the properties in all the directions identical but acting at a single point. Then the fourth assumption is the body is assumed to be solid continuous structure. Fifth assumption is principle of superposition is valid. Now, what is meant by principle of superposition? The principle of superposition states that on the linear elastic structure, the combined effect of two or the more forces acting simultaneously is equal to the algebraic sum of effects of each load acting individually, which means here is the example given. A simply supported beam is subjected to the UDL as well as a point load. The combined effect is considered here, but it is equal to the individual effect of UDL plus the individual effect of the point load. Now we are going to see when the principle of superposition is valid. The principle of superposition is valid when the structure is in the condition of static equilibrium. What is meant by static equilibrium? The static equilibrium is the state in which system components are at the rest and sum of all the forces, moments which are acting on the every particle of the structure or the system is equal to the 0. Then it is valid when the material of the structure behaves linearly. That means as the load increases, the deformation also increases. When the supports are unyielding, the principle of superposition is valid, but in case of the slender columns, the principle of superposition is not valid. For more civil engineering questions, join the Telegram channel whose Link is given in the description.